Hi, boys and girls. Welcome today, Valentine's Day. Yes, welcome today on Tuesday, February the 14th, 2023. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars. And the binary, yes, we are interested in the binary because it's binary time. And this one will be number 59601. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we need to think. Well. Now we need to think. Well, we have here 3 O's in the last column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can mean O, this should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Okay. If I place in the last column the 4th O here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay, here we have 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Still, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have again 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Then. Let me think. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, the 4th 1, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Second row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Okay. We have 1 completed column. And well, look to the first column and the last column. Yeah. Well, if I compare, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, empty box, 1, 1, O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O and this should be a 1. We have a 1 and this should be an O. Okay. But it's not helping me. It's not helping me at all. 10. How about this row and that row? Okay, 0011, 0011, empty box, 1100. Need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Now we have, look, in this column. When you see an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, okay. Well. Here we have 3 O's in the first row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. If I place number 4, the 4th O, there in the first row here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay, here. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Alright, let me continue here. Still have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's. Still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here in this column, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 3 ones. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and 4th one. So that box should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Wow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I cannot compare the columns here, so we need to compare the rows. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? Here we have a 10, 10. We have 3 completed rows. 1, 0, 0, 1. Here we have a 1, 0, 0, 1. This row. And that row. Alright. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? Here we have a 10, 10. Not the same. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Do we have a here we have a 0, 1, 0, 1. This row and the first row. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Oh no. Again, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So for the 9 minutes. Wow. Took me more time. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes. And we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.